Today, the presentation is about applied geology. Applied geology, there are the various branches in applied geology. It means mineralogy, petrology, then engineering geology, then gemology, hydrogeology, tunnels, bridges, structural geology. These are the applied branches. These are the branches of a geology. One of these branches, important branch, is the petrology. Petrology means study of our rocks. Study of our rocks involves the subdivisions of petrology, igneous petrology, sedimentary petrology. There are three types of rocks: igneous rock, metamorphic rocks, and sedimentary rocks. Then we have to go through the rock cycle. How the rock cycle takes place, how these rocks are formed. First of all, the igneous rocks are formed. From the igneous rocks, then the action of pressure, temperature, and a chemical environment. The metamorphic rocks are formed after the metamorphic rocks, or from the metamorphic igneous rock. Then sedimentary rocks are formed. Sedimentary rocks are formed below the water. Then we have to see about detail about the igneous petrology, how these igneous rocks are formed. What do you mean by igneous rock? Igneous rock means the rock which is formed by cooling, consolidation, and crystallization of a hot molten rock material, magma or lava. The rock material which is erupted during the volcanic activity below the earth's surface is called as a, and the rock material which is erupted above the earth's surface, the volcanic activity is called as the lava. These igneous rocks are formed by lava and a magma. Then, a cooling crystallization and solidification of the lava or magma. The igneous rocks are. These are the primary types of rocks. These rocks are formed by the eruption of a lava. Its consolidation is called as igneous rocks. In this figure, you have to see the volcanic eruption, then formation, eruption of a lava or a magma below and above the earth's surface. Then there are various types of igneous rocks. Classification of igneous rock involves based on the mineralogical composition, based on the textural characteristics, based on the mode of formation. So this based on the mineralogical composition, the which minerals contained in the igneous rocks based on textural classification. Texture is a property of a rock which shows the size, shape, arrangement of mineral grains in the rock body. That is called the textural characteristics. And based on the mode of formation means the at which depth these rocks are formed. The rocks which are formed below the earth's surface at the greater depth and above the earth's surface on the then and the in between the below and above there are another group of rock is a form called then first we have to see the texture variation classification. First one is the phanerite. Phanerite means these are the coarse grain sized igneous rocks. The second one is phanerites. Phanerites are the grain size less than 1 mm. Means fine grain size igneous rocks. These are studied below the microscope. Still occur phanerites called as the porphyritic phenocrysts. Then third one is the glasses. Glasses are found with a rapid magma grain size in the glasses. Then the second one is the mode of formation. Then mode of formation, there are three types of igneous rocks are formed. First one is the plutonic, second one is the volcanic, third one is the hyperbasal. Plutonic rocks are formed at a greater depth, the grain size, the coarse grain. Example, granite. These rocks are acidic in nature. Volcanic rocks are formed on the earth's surface. At the surface, when the lava erupts at the surface and cool crystallization, these volcanic rocks are formed. These volcanic rocks are basic in nature. Then example basalt, then hyperbasal rocks are. Third one the hyperbasal rock. These are called the intermediate rocks. These are formed at shallower depth. 2 to 4 kilometers in between the plutonic and volcanic rocks, example porphyritic granite and diorites. This is all about the igneous petrology. Then next lecture we have to see the another group rock